Solving a word problem with two unknowns using a linear equation. Okay, let's look at a problem. Pam is 9 years older than Jiri, and the sum of their ages is 55 years. What is Jiri's age? Okay, let's let Pam equal P and Jiri equal J. And in the question, we need to find Jiri's age, so we need to find J. So let's look back at statement 1, and using P and J, make a linear equation from the sentence. Pam is 9 years older than Jiri. So the word older is telling me that Pam is 9 years more than Jiri. So we can write P equals J plus 9. Now we look at the second statement, and again using P and J, make a linear equation from the sentence. The sum of their ages is 55. The word sum is telling me plus. So P plus J equals 55. I'm then going to look at the first equation, P equals J plus 9, and I'm going to substitute for P. So instead of P in the second equation, I'm going to write J plus 9. So J plus 9 plus J equals 55. And if we collect the variables together, we've got 2J plus 9 equals 55. We must then subtract 9 from both sides of the equation, so we're left with 2J is 55 minus 9, or 2J equals 46. In order to find the value of J, we divide both sides of the equation by 2, and by cancelling the 2, J equals 23. So we've answered the initial question, what is Jiri's age? Jiri's age is 23 years. Next example, a total of 642 tickets were sold. They were either adult or student tickets. There were 58 fewer student tickets than adult. How many adult tickets were sold? So again, let adult equal A and student equal S. And in the question, we have to find the adult tickets, so we need to find A. So let's look in the first statement, and using A and S, make a linear equation from this sentence. A total of 642 tickets were sold. The word total is telling me plus. So A plus S equals 642. Now we'll look at the second statement. Using A and S, make a linear equation from the sentence. There were 58 fewer student tickets than adult. This word fewer is telling me there were 58 less student tickets than adult. So the student ticket equals the adult minus 58. Now I'm going to take the second equation and substitute it into the first equation. So instead of S, I'm going to write A minus 58. So A plus A minus 58 equals 642. Let's collect the variables together. 2A minus 58 equals 642. If we now add 58 to both sides of the equation, 2A equals 642 plus 58, or 2A equals 700. Now to find the value of A, we simply divide both sides of the equation by 2, and by cancelling, we find that A equals 350. So how many adult tickets were sold? 350 adult tickets. And finally, the last example, a burger shop sold a total of 596 hamburgers and cheeseburgers. The number of cheeseburgers sold was 3 times the number of hamburgers. How many hamburgers were sold? So let hamburger equal H and cheeseburger equal C. In the question, we have to find how many hamburgers there were, so we have to find H. Let's look at the first sentence, and using H and C make a linear equation from this sentence. A burger shop sold a total of 596 hamburgers and cheeseburgers. The word total is telling me to add. H plus C equals 596. Now look at the second statement. Using H and C, make another linear equation from this sentence. The number of cheeseburgers sold was 3 times the hamburgers. So this is telling me that the cheeseburger was 3 times the hamburger. So C equals 3H. I'm then going to look at my second equation and substitute 3H for C in the first equation. So H plus 3H equals 596. Let's collect the variables together. 4H equals 596. We now divide both sides of the equation by 4 in order to find the value of H. H equals 149. So, how many hamburgers were sold? 149 hamburgers. Thank you.